Hi, my name is Chung Dha, and today I want to show you how to use this microphone, or actually any microphone, to record in stereo, while this microphone only produces a mono sound, which mostly is only on the left side. While reviewing a video, you might hear that one side is just not producing any sound. It's mostly because your microphone is a mono microphone. However, online there are people saying to use these kinds of plugs, which are saying mono to stereo. However, they are actually stereo to mono. The 3.5 jacks are mostly for the headphone jacks and to produce a mono sound for a mono headphone. I'm not really sure why, but they always say they do not produce stereo sound, and actually they do not really produce any stereo sound at all on either way. So what I use are these cables. So here is a 3.5 female jack, so the microphone can be plugged into that part. Then it goes to two RCA outs, RCA males, then a very tiny adapter. The adapter is a female RCA to two male RCA. It's a very small adapter for just a few bucks. You can order it on eBay. And then you have two RCA females that goes to a 3.5 a 3.5 mil jack, which can be plugged into a camera or any recording device or a laptop. And then you have a stereo sound coming from a mono microphone. So what it does is this, and it split up the sound into two channels and then goes into these two and change it so both channels are recording the same sound. So both channel will have sound instead of only one channel. And also the great thing, if you have the 550D or any camera with the magic lantern, you can record internal microphone plus the external microphone. And normally when using the internal external balanced, it will record the volume not really loud, while using internal left and external right, you will have a much louder volume. So with basically this setup, you can change the mono left into a mono right, so you can record the volume much louder. And this was mostly it, the wire setup that I use. And you might think it's a lot of wires. Well, it's pretty short. It's only 30 to 40 centimeters of extra cables. Well, this cable on the camera is not really that long. It's just a small extension and not like few meters of cables. However, I know this setup works, and I've used it for several videos, and it does work. Unlike these plugs, you have to test out a lot, or you have to find the correct one, which is very hard to find online. And also in stores, they might say they are mono to stereo, while a lot of them do not really produce a stereo sound from mono. So this was the video, and hopefully you find it really helpful. So see you the next time. Bye.